Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to turn off dark mode on Bitget Wallet. Disabling dark mode can enhance visibility and provide a more traditional viewing experience if you prefer brighter interfaces. So, let's get started on how to turn off dark mode on Bitget Wallet. First, open the Bitget Wallet on your device. Tap on the menu icon from the top left corner of your screen. At the top right corner of the menu, you will see a sun icon. Tap on it to deactivate dark mode. And this is how you can turn off dark mode on Bitget Wallet. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.